southeastern Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Fond du Lac County in east-central Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Berlin, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
3 SCRs.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fond du Lac, Ripa, Berlin, North Fond du Lac, Rosendale, Green Lake, Southern Lake Winnebago, Chichita, Lamartine, El Dorado, Eden, Mount Calvary, Van Dyne, Peebles, Pipe, Calvary, Johnsburg, West Rosendale, Marytown, and Town of Forest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.